Okay, so we're going to look at Yenka again. Here's Yenka here, and we're going to look at the light part of it again as well. So to do that, we need our optical space. So we need this kind of black surface behind it. That means we can see the light, so we're not, you can see a little light beams now that it's got on it. Okay, I'm going to make this bigger. Right, anyway, I'll put it on there and you can play around and get it bigger, okay? Right, so we've got our optical space there. We're going to need our ray boxes and things on it. So let's get our light source that we're going to choose, and we'll choose our ray box. This one I want to keep it this time as 3 beams. Okay? We can make the 3 beams a bit further apart, so let's make it a bit bigger this time. So let's make it a bit bigger. So we can make it something like that. I want to try and make the optical space a bit bigger. Now what I want to do is I want to look at what happens when we put different objects through it, like transparent objects. So we've got things here, we've got prisms, transparent blocks, and semicircular blocks. Now you've dealt with transparent blocks, and here's a transparent block here, and you also dealt with prisms, triangular prisms, which are these here. Right? What we're going to go on to in the next topic is how lenses work in glasses and things. Now what I'd like you to do is I'd like you to take 2 prisms and a rectangular block, and I'd like you to get it to look like a lens. So we've got concave lenses, let's go like that, and we've got convex lenses, and we've got concave lenses. These are 2 different types of lenses. So these are 2 different types of lenses at the bottom. So what I'd like you to do is I'd like you to take all your prisms, like that, and you can put the lens in front of it and see what happens to the light beam. See how it does that with the light beam? So that's what's going to happen if you do it with a ray box. What I'd like to do is get the same pattern, but using the prisms at the side. You can rotate them round, you can do what you like them, you can make them smaller, you can make them bigger. I want you to put these in and try and get them to make the same shape as they did for the lens. Now if you want, you can set up two of these. So you want to do that, but using only these 3 at the side. You do it with that one, and then you can do it with that one, you get to do the same thing. Once you think you've done it, you can show me you haven't done it. Does that make sense? Does that make sense? So you can rotate these prisms round, so you can spin these round if you want, and you can spin this one round if you want as well, just use the wee bit at the top, that just spin them. Okay? So use your 3 prisms at the side, the 2 lines at the bottom, and try and get your prisms at the side to give you the same diagram as the ones at the bottom. Is that okay? Right. I posted it on the website last night as well. If you want to use Yenka at home, want to revise any of this stuff, you can download it for free and use it for free as well. So I'm going to go on the computers and do that just now, please, and then we'll have a look at it.